Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got chocolate fudge cake for you. Start by melting 70 grams of chocolate and pouring in 70 millilitres of melted butter. Mix those together and add in 10 grams of cocoa powder. Now add 50 millilitres of milk, 20 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour in 2 egg yolks and finally sift in 50 grams of cake flour. Adding the flour through a sieve ensures to remove any big lumps. Carefully mix that together. Put that aside and in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 egg whites. Once they're white and frothy, you're going to add in 40 grams of sugar. Then keep whisking until stiff peaks have formed. Now spoon that into your chocolate cake mixture, a little at a time. There. Time to pop it in a cake tin, readily lined, smooth it out and bake in the oven at 150 degrees for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, melt 120 grams of dark chocolate, pour in 80 millilitres of heavy cream and mix together. Once that's combined, your chocolate ganache mixture is ready to pour over your cooled down cake. Be sure to pour it over a tray or a plate to catch the drippings. Gooey gorgeousness. Look at that. Now time to decorate with some sliced strawberries, and blueberries, and a few sprigs of mint. There you have it, a beautiful, gooey chocolate fudge cake. Delicious.